This recipe is a lunch combo that has a rice dish which is cooked with fenugreek seeds, garlic cloves and yellow lentils.
Yeah, and then we're making a side dish with sunberry leaves that is served on the side. And it's topped up with thick coconut milk.
Shall we get into the recipe?
Yeah!
Let's start making the sunberry leaf side dish, and simultaneously let's cook rice on one side. The dish is so easy to make.
Sunberry leaves or Manathakkali Keerai is a spinach variety that's used for healing stomach ulcers. The leaves are used in this dish, but you can also use the fruit of the spinach.
Let's start making the side dish. Are you ready, Bhargav?
Yeah.
So we are taking a kadai and adding 1.5 cups of water to it. Here we have yellow lentils. It's approximately half cup yellow lentils. We have actually washed it, and then I'm going to add this inside. Bhargav, can you wait until this gets cooked? It takes 5 minutes to get cooked. Can you wait until that? You hate waiting, but let's start making the rice right now. We are using 1 full coconut for making this recipe. I've taken 1 coconut and then I've taken milk out of it. The thick coconut milk is used to serve for the side. Again, adding 2.5 cups of water, we have taken a thin coconut milk and used to cook the rice.
Then I'm gonna add in 3 chopped garlic cloves and a tablespoon of fenugreek seeds.
You can see everything is having the medicinal values that cures stomach troubles. The coconut milk, the fenugreek seeds, and then we are going to add 1/4 cup of washed lentils, yellow lentils, moong dal inside.
Now, can we add the rice, Mom?
Yeah, you can add the rice. We have taken 1 cup of rice. You can use any regular rice that you have been cooking. So we have washed it and we are adding 1 cup of rice.
There.
Let's close the cooker and pressure cook for just 2 whistles. While the rice is getting cooked, let's finish off this sunberry leaves curry. It's been 5 minutes and the yellow lentil is getting cooked here. It's time to add the sunberry leaves. Are you ready, Bhargav?
Yeah.
It's been nicely cleaned and washed. It appears like a large quantity, but when it gets cooked, it just shrinks. It takes another 3 to 5 minutes to get cooked, and then this will be ready by the time because there will be 2 whistles.
Now we have to mix it.
I'm going to add adequate salt that's required for the spinach. See, it's very easy, right? That's when it gets cooked. The second whistle has come, so let's switch off the stove. I think it will be getting ready in 2 minutes. I think this is a magical dish that gets ready in 10 minutes. All medicinal values, yummy.
Yeah, if you guys also want another healthy lunch, we made another recipe. The link is in the description box.
The only pre-work that you have to do if you are taking fresh coconut milk, that's the only pre-work you have to do. It's just that. I'm going to take off this cooker and then start tempering it. It's always good to use coconut oil for this dish. So I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm going to add mustard seeds, some red chilies. Now the mustard seeds is fluttering. I'm going to add some white lentils or urad dal and then switch off the stove. The tempering is ready. I'm going to add this to the cooked spinach and mix it up. That's it. The spinach is also ready. Once you switched off the stove, I'm adding nice amount of shredded coconut. Here I have a half cup of shredded coconut. Just give it a mix. You don't need to cook. Now the pressure is gone. Let's open the cooker and check it. Wow, look how beautiful it is. So you can see the rice, the moong dal, the fenugreek seeds and the garlic cloves have been very well cooked in the thin coconut milk, and it's ready to serve. So the yummy lunch is ready. We are going to serve it. Everything is transferred to the serving plate. I'm going to give them. This is how it should be served. Take a nice amount of rice that you need. Pour in thick coconut milk over the top, as much as you need. And then the spinach on the side. Scoop it out and have it. You can have every day or twice to thrice in a week, and you can make a difference in your health.
Yeah, it's so delicious. It's so delicious. It doesn't even taste like a medicine.
So as I said, the kids even love this menu. It's not that you have to have only if you have ulcer, you can have any day.
Thank